Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Instinct tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set alarms and then customize them so that they meet your needs. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you need to do is hold down the set button on the bottom right. As you can see, the first option available is set alarms. We'll select that by pressing the GPS button. In here, the first option we'll have is to set the hour that the alarm will be. I'm just going to use the default, but you can scroll through using the menu in the ABC button. Then you'll be setting the minutes, and then AM or PM. Once you select that, you'll have your first alarm created. Once it's created, you can select it by using the GPS button, and then we'll have a lot of options in here. We can turn it off and on. We can also edit the time that the alarm goes off. The next option is repeat, and this is when the alarm will be active, which days of the week. So we can select repeat. There are some default configurations such as daily, during the weekdays, on weekends. We also have the option to do custom. So in here you can select if it's going to be on Sundays, you can do Tuesday, you can do any day of the week and ensure that that alarm will go off only on that day. So if you like to get up at 6 a.m. on Fridays and 4 a.m. on Thursdays, you can set unique alarms to do that. To save your settings, just select the set button to go back. And then we can scroll down to configure if any sounds will be played or if it'll just vibrate or if only a tone will be played when the alarm goes off. Then we can go down to backlight. We can have the alarm turn on the backlight of the watch. Then we can scroll down to label, and this is where you can label the alarm so that it's easier for you to recognize. And these are all predetermined. You cannot put a custom label. And finally, we can delete the alarm. And as you can see, completely gone now. So that's how you create and then customize alarms on the Garmin Instinct. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Instinct tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.